boys swimming in Speedos this morning. We're going to see some movement here in Nissy. Liam Smith in lane number 5, 144, 200 butterfly. No surprise to see him out here. 23-0 at 50. Liam Smith expanding that lead with some good underwaters. Humber in lane number 6, moving up into second, followed by Leginsky in lane number 4. 50.0 Liam Smith at the halfway point. Folks, Liam Smith put the big time swim here together. He's looking to split 31 here on the breaststroke, out at 50 point. .32.5, we're looking at least 147. Leginsky and Shiggleshaw battling in 2 for 3 and 4 for second, but this is all Liam Smith in lane number 5 from Greater Kalamazoo. What a swim! 148.33, outstanding swim. Second, Leginsky, 132.64, and third, Shiggleshaw. This is event number 11, the women's